gonna put her away for the night because, oh my gosh, I'm seeing where I made a little smudge. I'm just like, I think I'm kind of messy. I mean, I know I'm really messy. How did I even do that? I must have like put the freaking towel down on it or something. I'm just using this clean brush to like push some of the paint back to where it should be. Yeah, it's kind of at the point where the first layer needs to dry so I can go in and add what I need to add. Get the surface of the monster can more like leveled out, less streaky, you know, and go in and add the stripes in her fur. Yeah, I'll be able to finish it tomorrow, but I'm done for tonight. Yeah, I'm... Oh, that's what happened. Oh my god, it's her little eye and her little head right where it was messed up. Jeez Louise. She's gonna be okay though. Okay, so hi. I am so stoked with this. She's so cute. I'm gonna take a little break right now because the orange background of the butterfly will need to dry so that I can put in some like yellow and white into it. Then I think she's done.